If you paired in the past your Pro Controller with the Switch and now for some reason the Switch doesn't detect your Pro Controller, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair it again so the Nintendo Switch detects the Pro Controller and you can start playing games with it and so on. Before we continue, make sure of course that your Pro Controller doesn't have an empty battery, that it actually has power. You can connect it to the docking station using the power cable, up to you. Just make sure that it has enough battery for the action that we're about to make. Who knows, maybe you just have empty battery and that's why it doesn't work. Just make sure that you have battery, check it out again. If still the controller is not detectable, continue on. First thing, let's go to the system settings. Press the system settings icon in the home page on your Nintendo Switch console. From there, scroll down to controllers and sensors and go right, and on the right pane, choose change grip order. This is the first option from the top. Now here you need to press, as you can see, the L and right on the controller. Now, if you see that the controller is not detected here, so basically you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can't see the controller, we need to make the controller in discovery mode so the Switch can actually detect it. To do this and make your Nintendo Switch discoverable, make sure you tap this little button where the place where you connect your USB-C cable. There's a little button, very small. Make sure you tap it. I actually use a pen for it for a few seconds until you see a set of lighting running from left to right at the bottom of your controller. So when you look at the bottom of your controller, you see those green lighting running from left to right, and then you know that the Pro Controller is on discovery mode. Now, as you can see here, there are different options to do this: pairing the controllers with the USB connector or pairing the controllers wirelessly. I'm doing it wirelessly. But alternatively, you can go with the USB connector options, unless you want to do it directly with the Nintendo Switch, because your Nintendo Switch is not actually right now at the docking station. After you've done this, again, follow the instructions again, press the left and R, and then the Nintendo Switch should detect the Pro Controller. And now you can just continue doing what you like. You can even, of course, take the cable out if you connected it to the base, to the docking station, or if you just charge the Nintendo Switch Pro Controller and just want to use it remotely, you can do so, of course. So this is it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. I'll see you on the next video. Good luck, have fun, consider subscribing and giving a like. See you soon. Bye-bye.